Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode, we're checking out possibly the cheapest camera in the world. Here it is. So, if you can find any cameras that are cheaper than this, please let me know. But do not give me any of the toy cameras, because there's a lot of toy cameras that cost nothing and that are quite cheap. But this camera has been produced to look like a professional camera, like a point and shoot camera. And this camera costs only 30 quid, 30 pounds. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. But what I want to do is open this bad boy up and see what's inside. But before we do that, let's check out the specs. So what it says here, that it has a CMOS sensor. It can take pictures up to 21 megapixels. The video resolution can be up to 720p. It does not give me the frame rates here, but I don't think it's gonna do even 24 or 25 frames per second. It's probably like 15 frames per second, something like that. It's got LCD display, 2.7 inches. File format is JPEG and AVI. So it doesn't shoot RAW, and the video format is pretty baked. It's got digital zoom up to 8 times. Then there's different white balance adjustments, different scenes that you can change, like auto, nighttime, portrait, blah, 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 blah. It's got self-timer. It's got ISO, auto 100, 200 or 400. So there's 3 options for you. There you go. It's got anti-shake. Yes, whatever that means. It's got flash. It's got picture bridge, whatever the heck that means. And it can take SD cards up to 64 gigabytes, and it works with any of the Windows and Mac operating systems. Let's open this up. Unboxing time. So, what do we have inside? There is a driver disc, which says something about the kind of age that this camera is representing. People who have disk drives on the computer. User manual. If you're wondering what's the camera called, the camera is called a Berg Best AB Cam 218. Here we have the camera, tiny little thing. Let's put it on the side. We have a leather pouch. We have 2 batteries, which is very kind. They look like these old batteries of some kind of cell phones. So there's 2 batteries over here. There is a USB wall plug, which means you can charge the camera by USB. And then we have a mini USB over here, and then a little hand strap for the camera if you want to carry it around. And that's what's in the box. Let's have a look at the camera. Okay, here it is. It's very, very small and could be useful in some of the cases. So on the side here, let's look what's on the side here. There is a switch between macro and landscape or zoom. I'm not sure what that does. We'll figure out in a moment. Then there is USB port on the side here. Then on the top there is the power button, and then the picture button. Then on the other side we have the slot where you can put the battery in. Let's do it now. Might as well while we're at it. Hopefully the battery has been charged. Just gonna put an SD card in as well. Okay, SD card and battery go on to the right side. And then on the bottom there is nothing. You can't even mount it on a tripod. Then on the back there is 2 buttons that have no information on it. And then a little wheel that has obviously left, right, up and down buttons and a center button. And then from the front there is nothing. The lens on it is f3.0 and the focal length is 7.45 millimeters. So let's have a look. I'm gonna turn the camera on now. Boom. See, Asperg. It's pointing up. Okay, here we have it. Here is the camera. Let me just fiddle around a little bit on the menu here. What can we do? The middle button here is a menu. Okay, to remember these 2 buttons in the back, what they do is they zoom. So you can zoom in and zoom back. Let me have a look. What's the scene? I'm gonna put it to, do you know what, let's put it to party. Megapixels, let me put it to 21 megapixels. Let's take the highest resolution. I don't think it's image in-body image stabilization. I bet it's just a software thing. Face detection, it's got a face detection on, that's nice. Smile capture, no thank you. Continue shot, okay. Never mind, fine. Self-timer, no. ISO, I'm gonna put ISO to 100. Oh my word. You can take this beeping sound off, you know. Oh, that is nice. Oh wow, okay. This is, I'm filming now, 720p. It's filming here. Filming the Canon here. Okay. Low battery. Oh no, please keep filming. Okay, it turned off. The thing is, you can change the ISO here, but you can't change the shutter speed, which means I have no idea what shutter speed it's doing. But let's take some pictures. Also, this button on the side, what it does is this is a focus one. So if you go to the macro one, then you can take pictures a bit closer up like this. Okay, let's take this picture. Bam. Okay, take another picture. Can't see. Bam. Okay, let me put this over there. Let's try this macro. Let's see how close up it can focus. Okay. There we go. Boom. Photo. Do you know what? Let me just do a selfie. Okay. This was the selfie. Let's take some more pictures. I want to see how it handles colors. I've got a remote over there that's meant for LED adjustments. So, bam, let's take another one. Boom. This is a bit, let's take one from a bit further back as well. Boom. And this is the kind of, okay, let me try video quickly. Okay. Hey guys, this is the video. I'm not sure if it records sound as well, but this is a little selfie video. Hey, 21 megapixels. Aber best. Okay, let me try this zoom as well. You come in cinematic shot. Come in like this, and then now zoom in. Proper zoom in onto the camera. Yeah. The quality gets so bad, my word. Oh man. This is just cropping on the sensor and cropping on the video as well. Which means that the quality gets worse and worse and worse when you zoom in. Okay, this is that little camera. Thank you very much guys for watching this episode of Tech Notice, and I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. And would you please mind leaving a review of the video by hitting either like or dislike in the section below. That would really mean a lot to me if you hit the like, and I would know to make more videos like this. Also, if you did like the video and you'd like to see more videos like this, then welcome to the channel. Maybe you should hit the subscribe button and make sure that you'll get the videos onto your subscription feed, because more videos like this one are coming out every single week. Anyway, thanks very much guys for watching, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Cheers. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.